appreciate.
Okay, here. I meant like this way.
Okay.
It's like white trash.
It's like a hobo on the side of the road. It totally is.
Let me draw the road now.
Okay. Draw a person giving it something. Dead squirrel or something. We're crazy.
Alright, here we go.
Okay.
How do you draw a squirrel?
A dead squirrel.
That's a really small person.
Okay. Yeah, why is the monster thing bigger than it?
Because it's a bomb.
What is that?
I'm drawing a dead squirrel.
Oh, Hannah.
Yes.
I forgot to tell you. I got a job
Where?
at a greenhouse.
Oh, that's perfect for you.
It's gonna be really hot in there.
Shut up, Steph. Draw the picture.
I'm done. Look, she's giving him a dead squirrel.
That's really cool. That's not a squirrel. That's like a
dead
puppy.
squirrel. It's a dead squirrel.
That's not a squirrel.
Yes, it is.
Your hands are freezing. Oh my god.
That's why I'm wearing the sweatshirt.
Whose sweatshirt?
It's Adam.
Adam who?
Adam
What
Moser.
is it saying?
Adam who?
Adam Moser.
Oh, what?